we're introducing the new RSS 3000 at Safety Integrity Level 4. The latest advancement in track worker safety and railway efficiency, brought to you by the MTinfo 3000 Track Access Control System. This is the ZKL3000RC, our proven remote control track circuit operating device and shunting device, the trusted method for track circuit areas. Now the RSS 3000 offers seamless integration with both axle counter and track circuit areas. The RSS 3000 isn't constrained to installation between the running rails. Instead, it finds its place inside relay rooms or cabinets, facilitating more dynamic, flexible interaction with the signal interlocking. With the RSS 3000, SIL4 highly reliable switching in axle counter areas becomes easy to do. It takes only seconds without the need for on-site personnel. Upon activation, a section, or ultimately a work zone, is immediately protected, providing railway workers with a safe environment to perform their tasks efficiently and safely. Dual inventive track worker protection at SIL4, all protected by MTinfo 3000.